like as an industry, we're getting better as like educating each other and kind of raising the bar. I see people coming together, which is good. I feel like, across the board, I'd love to see this message get out more and more to property managers, which I know with Storm Chase and other things, you've done a good job at really getting in touch and helping people see another side. So I guess I'll even dovetail to that. Like, I remember you talking about, I think that was Coffee on the Peak, you were talking about sending out Storm Chase into your property managers. So have you seen that make a difference? And how do you think we as an industry can better connect with the property manager, facility manager, procurement people to really show them that value and all that goes into snow?
It's kind of like I said, invest in your employees, invest in your customers as well. They have such a wide range of duties that they're working on,
Mm,
from on the facilities. Just think of all the different things that go on in facilities, and snow removal is one of the most important ones, but it's one of the ones on the list, right? They have all this other stuff to take care of. And we're not just a check mark on the box. It shouldn't be looking at a spreadsheet and to say, hey, that company A is way cheaper than company B or C, and check that box. You need to figure out why company A is at the price they're at and why company C is at the price they're at. Equipment, right? Equipment makes all the difference. If somebody's going to come in and something that's non-maintained and breaking down and they don't have a lot of overhead, they're going to come in a little bit cheaper, right? But the one that
mhm.
has the stuff, not saying that new is better, because that's not necessarily the case at all either, but somebody that has some maintained stuff or some redundancies built into their routes where they have backup equipment in there, it's going to keep your facility open. So it's not always about price. We started the storm chasing actually the last past season, and we did 6 companies around the United States where we got to go and work with them side by side and kind of do some documentary of what it's like to be behind the scenes and do this work.